I learn every day at home. I learn when I feel alone. I open books and read a line. I take my time, I feel just fine. Learning slowly, step by step. I do my best, I don't forget.
I make mistakes and that's okay. I learn something new each day. Little progress, small but true. Every day I grow a little too.
I learn every day, little by little. I learn every day. Keep it simple. New words help me understand. English helps me make a plan. I learn every day. I don't give up. I fill my mind. I fill my cup.
I learn English when I sing. Simple songs help everything. I hear the words, I say them slow. I feel my English start to grow. Daily practice helps my brain. Learning English is not a pain.
I listen close and speak with care. I learn new words everywhere. At home, at work, or on the way. I learn English every day. I learn every day, little by little. I learn every day. Keep it simple. New words help me understand. English helps me make a plan. I learn every day. I don't give up. I fill my mind. I fill my cup. I learn from songs and daily life. Morning time and evening light. Short sentences, clear and slow, help my confidence to grow. Learning English feels so right when I practice day and night.
Every day is a chance to learn.
Every word is a step I earn.